Here are 101 reasons why people are still interested in old tractors. There's the nostalgia, of course, and the more agrarian way of life. There's also fantastic engineering and styling. And what we have here are 6 8-inch by 10-inch prints enclosed in the wallet. Oops. Maybe I'll show you the booklet first. Well, it's more than a booklet. It's a 64-page paperback covering details of engines, fuels and transmission, utility tractors in engineering and agriculture, mini or garden machines, and John Deere. Still going strong today, John Deere, after all these years. People still flock to events and meetings and reunions and rallies. This is a very nostalgic and exciting collection. And the rest of the pack is... oh, it must be stuck in. That's what it is. Here we go. Okay. So these are the size of the prints and the quality. That's under plastic, and they're all 6 are together, but that's what each one is. One, that's that black and white one, and then these in colour. And you can own those. So the whole thing is just £5. It's called Tractors: The History, Origins and Manufacturers, from bibliophilebooks.com.